A major development in the US case against Adani Group executives has now triggered a political tension in India. Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has used the development to launch a sharp attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, this comes after a US federal court has permanently dismissed several criminal charges against Adani Group chairman Gautam Adani, his nephew, and former Adani Green Energy CEO. Rahul Gandhi has alleged that there is much more to this than meets the eye, and accused a compromised Prime Minister is being forced to sell India's interest. Here's the full report.
US District Court in New York has approved the US Justice Department's request to permanently dismiss several criminal charges against Gautam Adani and others. The order was issued on August 10th. The court granted the Justice Department's request under Rule 48A to dismiss counts 2, 3 and 4 of the indictment. These charges related to securities fraud conspiracy, wire fraud conspiracy, and securities fraud. Importantly, the dismissals were made with prejudice. That means these particular charges cannot be brought again. The decision follows a request made by the US Justice Department in May after an extensive review of the case. The department cited several reasons for seeking dismissal. These included jurisdictional and evidentiary difficulties. It also pointed to the fact that the alleged conduct was predominantly India-based and that the matter had been scrutinized by Indian authorities. The Justice Department also cited the absence of identified investor losses. Another reason given was that continuing the prosecution no longer aligned with the department's priorities. The dismissal removes a major legal overhang that had hung over the Adani Group for nearly 2 years. The Adani Group has repeatedly denied the allegations and maintained that it complied with all applicable laws. Following the court's decision, Gautam Adani welcomed the development. The US court's decision has now become a fresh political flashpoint in India. Rahul Gandhi reacted strongly to the development, directly targeting the Prime Minister. In a post on X, he said there was much more to this than meets the eye. He accused a compromised PM of having been forced to sell India's interest. He also said, India is paying a huge price. His remarks come in the context of his long-running political attacks concerning the Adani Group and the Modi government. The Congress leader has repeatedly raised allegations concerning the relationship between the Adani Group and the Modi government. The US court's decision therefore has two very different dimensions. Legally, several criminal charges against the Adani Group executives have been permanently dismissed following the Justice Department's request. But politically, the decision has immediately reignited a debate in India. For the Congress and Rahul Gandhi, the development has become another occasion to question the Modi government's relationship with the Adani Group. For the Adani Group, meanwhile, the dismissal removes a significant legal burden that had remained over the group for nearly 2 years.